Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you for the question. I rise to respond to the question update this August House on the strengthened collaboration between Fiji and the Solomon Islands in the advancement of our justice sectors. On the 17th of February this year, Fiji and Solomon Islands formalized a significant step in regional cooperation through the signing of a memorandum of understanding hosted at Super Bowl House at Level 1, endorsed by Cabinet. The MOU established a twinning program designed to strengthen legal cooperation, capacity building, and institutional development between our two nations. These MOU objectives include collaboration in legal aid, policy development, research, legislative drafting, and legal practice. It paves the way for legal professionals from both countries to participate in the reciprocal training, mentorship, and professional placements. These commitments were further advanced during our ministerial visit to Solomon Islands from the 12th to the 18th of this month. Throughout the week, we held substantive discussions with senior justice sector leaders, including the Minister for Justice and Legal Affairs, the Permanent Secretary, the Attorney General, the Chief Justice, Director of Public Prosecution, Public Solicitor, and the Registrar General. These engagements, Mr. Speaker, focus on strengthening institutional linkages, identifying capacity building opportunities, and exploring technical cooperation under the twinning program. A highlight of the visit was our engagement on the Justice Information Management System, which Honorable Quiet asked this morning. A comprehensive digital platform that has transformed case information management across the Solomon Islands court system. We received an extensive briefing from the GIMS developers, who demonstrated how this system integrates key justice institutions, the police, ODPP, legal aid, Attorney General's chambers, drafting department, judiciary, and correction service into a single coordinated digital ecosystem. Mr. Speaker, GIMS provide a real-time access to case records, remand and inmate data, electronic filing capabilities, and consistent reference numbers across the entire justice chain, from arrest to discharge. Basically, Mr. Speaker, if there is a bail application and the accused is asking for bail because there is not enough bed, and the prosecution is saying otherwise, the magistrate, on the press of a button, can confirm how many beds are available in prison. They have a system where all the inmates' details are logged in, their names, the date of entry into the correction system, the date of their discharge, and what other pending matters they have in the Solomon Islands. It is understood that the GIM is the only system of its kind currently operational in the Pacific, placing the Solomon Islands at the forefront of the justice sector digitization. These developers have expressed their willingness to assist Fiji by tailoring the system to support the justice sector reform roadmap 2025 to 2029. This partnership opens the door for digital transformation consistent with Fiji's reform priorities. At the DPP's conference last week, Mr. Speaker, sir, which I believe you actually opened it, there was a presentation on this program. Mr. Speaker, sir, the MOU has already yielded significant benefit across the justice institutions. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, Fiji, and the ODPP Solomon Islands formalized a professional twinning partnership last week at the annual conference. Under the MOU, prosecutors will participate in a 6-week reciprocal attachment, focusing on skills enhancement in legal research, case presentation, cybercrime, financial crimes, anti-corruption, money laundering, human trafficking, and organized crime. The Legal Aid Commission has also taken a leadership role. In April 2024, Legal Aid and Solomon Islands public solicitors signed a Wirikaukaua Legal Network, MOU, establishing a twinning program covering legal practice, administration, finance, HR, and IT. Under this arrangement, the Legal Aid Commission has deployed Principal Legal Officer Patricia Mateka on 2 different occasions, both over a month, to deliver extended continuing legal education in civil law practice in the Solomon Islands. And templates for civil law documents. Solomon Islands officers have completed attachment in Fiji, including both legal and administrative staff. Notably, the Legal Aid Finance Manager Abdul Rashid delivered a 4-day practical budget preparation training for Solomon Islands Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs, including the BOB, SOL, ODPP, Judiciary, and Ministerial officers. Fiji stands to benefit significantly, particularly through the potential adoption of GIMS and continued strengthening of our regional standing and partnership. On the 8th of May this year, the Fiji Law Reform Commission hosted the Solomon Islands Law Commission to sign an MOU, establishing a formal twinning program focused on technical exchange, research capacity, and knowledge sharing. This collaboration will enhance competencies in legal research, public consultation, stakeholder engagement, drawing from traditional Pacific knowledge systems and practices such as Talanoa and community-based consultation. This program will commence in February 2026 with 2 officers from each institution undertaking a 4-week attachment. This initiative is funded by the Australia-Solomon Islands Partnership for Justice Program, ably led by one of our own, Mr. Apollo Simbwase, the son of Isimel Mbwase. The collaboration aligns with the Pacific Island Forum 2025 strategy for the Blue Pacific continent, which emphasizes regional cooperation, institutional strengthening, and collective security, areas in which law reform plays a critical enabling role. Overall, Mr. Speaker, this growing partnership between Fiji and the Solomon Islands reflects a shared commitment to addressing common challenges, including limited resources, geographic vulnerabilities, and the rise of transnational crime. It demonstrates the strength and value of regional solidarity, shared learning, and collective action. Our journey is strengthening justice systems. It's not for one nation alone. It is a Pacific responsibility requiring unity, shared vision, and long-term commitment. Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji's partnership with Solomon Islands is a testament to our belief in the power of regional cooperation. Through shared expertise, coordinated reform efforts, and collective capacity building, we are advancing a justice system that are more resilient, more efficient, and more responsive to the needs of our people. This collaboration strengthens not only our institutions, but also Pacific solidarity, our Wu-Wale spirit, ensuring that justice, fairness, and the rule of law remain strong pillars of our nation. Fiji's law and justice sector is committed to deepening this partnership as we continue our journey to modernize Fiji's justice sector and contribute meaningfully to regional peace, prosperity, and stability. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I want to thank the Minister and the Acting Attorney for Honorable Turaga for his